What's going on, y'all? Just chilling tonight. Just it's Thursday. Kind of stoked. I'm going camping tomorrow. Yeah. Yep. We are getting out. We're gonna be gone for the weekend. I ain't gotta worry about nothing. Just gonna take a little break. I'm in fair need of it. That's for sure. Um, just want to talk about. I want to talk about YouTube stuff. You know, a lot of you guys are out there. Doing YouTube stuff. You're hustling. You're making videos. You're learning how to, tag your videos. You're learning where to put them. You're sharing them on Facebook. I mean, it's hard work. It really is. It doesn't come easy. I've started this, like I said, back in October. And I work. I work my ass off. I work all day at work, and then I come home and work on videos. And kudos to you guys that are, and it's doing well. You know, Mine are doing okay. Not the greatest in the world, but I got a weird shadow from that light. But we're just gonna have to deal with it. Anyway, um, I don't. For some reason, a lot of people don't understand that. Doing YouTube. I'm gonna go out there, and I may be completely fucking wrong, but 90% of the people that do YouTube videos, um, it's for income. It's a business. And I guess what a lot of people don't understand is, YouTube is owned by Google, which is, the largest search engine in the world. And they are a major player in, world advertising. Um, so, you know, they it's a business to them. They want to keep you, they want you to be on there watching videos so they can put their ads up from their advertisers. Um, Facebook's getting to be the same way. You can get monetized on Facebook. You can get paid to do videos on Facebook. Um, and just, I don't know. I don't understand why people don't understand, if you're getting what I'm coming at, that this is a business. This is a job. YouTube is a business. YouTube is probably going to end up, YouTube and Facebook are going to be the biggest advertisement businesses in the world. That's just what's going to happen. I see it coming. I hope that some other people are getting in on the game. I know they are. Um, you know, I, I, I don't know about Twitter and all that stuff. I'm not real keen on that, but I'm for certain that Facebook and YouTube are definitely in the advertisement game. So, a lot of people, they just don't understand it, and they get pissed off at these guys, when they're making videos and commercials come on and whatnot, and it's like, well, this is their job, this is what they're doing for a living, and if they've made it to that point where there's commercials on their stuff, you know, that means they've made it. That YouTube and Facebook and whoever else it is, you know they're driving a lot of traffic to their platform, and that's where they're going to make their money from. So you know I understand it is social media. It is a place to air out your laundry and all that jazz. But yeah, and go ahead and do that. That's what we all got to do. We need a platform to that. We connect with our friends. We find cool videos. We find funniest memes in the world, and it's awesome. I love it all. But man, there's a lot of guys out there that are working their butt off, because this is a business. You know, like I said, Google is a very large business, and that's who owns YouTube. YouTube. So I guess and I encourage everyone to do it. I mean, you wouldn't believe the stuff that you can make money with, and not you can make money with doing what you love. That's the really cool thing about it, is like you could be out money, making money doing stuff, having fun, just goofing off, playing pranks and riding your bike, and cooking, exercising, riding around your car with the dash cam on, finding crazy stupid people driving, which is not really hard to do nowadays. I mean, anything, and I really do. I embrace it. I encourage it. It's not easy to get to the point where you're making money, but I think everybody out there could do it, literally, and make some money. And I'm not saying you're going to get, you know, freaking Rockefeller rich off of it or any kind of stuff like that, but it's fun. It's a neat way to express yourself. You can show your friends what you're doing. Your friends that you've lost contact with. They've moved away. A different part of the country, a different part of the world. That's the other thing about it is, these are worldwide businesses. This isn't, just Frank in Connecticut or, you know, Homer over in Texas. No, this is worldwide. Like, you're getting to people that don't even speak your language, you know. And I think it's an awesome thing, and I think we should all embrace it and really enjoy it. And, like I said, I really encourage everybody to do it. Try it. I wished I had done it a long time ago. I would have been way farther ahead than what I am now. But I'm learning. I'm learning what people want to see, how they want to see it. I'm learning how to put it out there and get it in front of the correct audience. It's all a learning curve, and I love to learn, and I think that's what's the funnest part of it is I'll be farting around, and watch somebody else's video about something. I'm like, oh crap, why didn't I know how to do that? And there's online courses you can take, and it's a business. It's a money-making venture, and there's a lot of money out there to be made, and there's a lot of money being made. So, like I said, I encourage it. I really do. So, just wanted to let you know all that, and I want y'all to have a good weekend. There's going to be some camping videos on my other channel called The Travel Trailers. I think I put some links up in my other stuff already, but I'll probably put it on Facebook. I get a lot of views from Facebook. I should probably try and start doing more videos just on Facebook. So, but yeah, so get out there and videotape something. And for all means, get out there and fix something.